Hey, I'm Cam, your guru grant writer. And today we're simplifying the grant game so you can stop guessing and start positioning yourself to win. Let's start with this. A grant is not free money, I know. That myth is everywhere. Grants don't have to be repaid, but they do cost you time, strategy, preparation, and sometimes professional support. If you're not grant ready, you're not grant competitive. And grant readiness is where most businesses fall short. Who actually gives grants? There are three primary funders: government agencies, federal, state, and local levels. These are highly structured and competitive. They fund initiatives aligned with national priorities: innovation, workforce development, public health, technology, economic growth. Corporations. These grants align with corporate missions. A tech company funds digital growth. A bank funds financial literacy. A retailer funds community programs near its stores. Private foundations, family foundations, community foundations, and major philanthropic organizations. These are often relationship driven and impact focused. Each funder has one thing in common: they fund alignment, not need. Let me say that again. They fund alignment, not need. Who gets grants? Nonprofits? Yes. Small businesses? Absolutely. Startups? Sometimes. Minority owned, women owned, veteran owned businesses? Frequently. But here's the key: winning grants isn't about size, it's about clarity. Can you clearly explain the problem you solve, the audience you serve, the measurable outcomes you create, and exactly how the grant funds will move the needle? If you can't answer those four things, we pause and build strategy first. That's what we do at Design to Conquer. We don't just help you apply, we help you position. What do grants actually pay for? For nonprofits, program supplies, staff connected to service delivery equipment, growth planning for businesses, equipment technology, marketing expansion, workforce growth inventory, strategic scaling. But here's the hidden gem most people miss: you must know how you'll spend the money before you apply. Specific, strategic, outcome driven. More marketing isn't enough. Increasing digital ad conversion by 25% through paid ad automation and analytics software implementation. That's grant language. See the difference? How to start today. Step 1. Assess your grant readiness. Do you have a business plan, clear financials, defined goals, a measurable growth strategy? Step 2. Identify aligned funders, not random ones, strategic ones. Step 3. Build a proposal that serves their mission while accelerating yours. Because here's the truth: grants are partnerships. When you understand that, everything changes. If you're ready to stop chasing money and start positioning your business for funding success, stay connected. Here at Design to Conquer, we help entrepreneurs build the systems, strategy, and structure needed to secure funding with confidence. Funding favors the prepared, and prepared businesses win. I'm Cam, your guru grant writer. Now let's get you funded and ready to conquer your industry.